In a future ruled by machines and minds of artificial intelligence, one legend refuses to fade. Fire, the F-22 Raptor, once the king of the skies, now upgraded, enhanced, and reborn. Iron speech bubble, facing off against swarms of autonomous drones and AI-piloted jets, the Raptor enters a new battlefield. Rocket, with cutting-edge sensors, adaptive stealth, and human-machine teaming, it's no longer just a fighter, it's the future's ultimate hunter. Directed, but can this beast of the past survive the war of tomorrow? The F-22 Raptor, a symbol of American air dominance, is facing a new reality, a battlefield dominated by AI and drones. Can the Raptor adapt, or is its reign in the skies coming to an end? Did you know that the F-22 Raptor is being upgraded to integrate with swarms of drones and AI-powered systems? See how this legendary fighter is evolving to dominate the future of warfare. The age of the lone fighter pilot is over. The future of air combat belongs to the F-22 Raptor, but not as you know it. Witness the birth of a new generation of aerial warfare. Welcome back to our channel, SkyJet Wings. Today, we dive deep into a story of legacy, innovation, and the future of air combat, centered around the iconic F-22 Raptor and the dawn of AI-powered warfare. When the F-22 Raptor first took to the skies, it didn't just mark a new chapter, it rewrote the book on air combat. As the world's first fifth-generation fighter, it brought together stealth, supercruise speed, advanced avionics, and unmatched agility, setting a new gold standard in aerial warfare. But its real impact wasn't just in how it flew, it was in how it changed the fight. The Raptor forced military strategists around the world, friend and foe alike, to rethink how wars would be won above the clouds. Personally, seeing it in action feels like watching pure mastery, like man and machine moving as one. It's more than technology. It's a symbol of air dominance, of innovation built to defend the skies. And now, as we enter an age of AI and autonomous drones, the Raptor is evolving once again, ready to lead a new generation into the battles of the future. But the skies are changing, and fast. A new force is rising, one not made of flesh and blood, but of code, sensors, and algorithms. Artificial intelligence and autonomous drones are rewriting the very nature of warfare. These machines can scout terrain, track targets, and execute complex missions, without a human ever lifting a finger. The speed, the precision, the endurance, drones exploit them all, and do it better than any pilot ever could. It's a revolution of logic over instinct, circuits over muscle. But with this power comes a storm of uncertainty. How much control should we give to machines? Can AI make decisions that align with human values in the chaos of war? These aren't just technical challenges, they're moral ones. And today, military leaders find themselves facing a battlefield where the rules are no longer written by humans alone. So where does the F-22 Raptor stand in this era of machines? Born in a pre-AI world, it was built for dominance, with stealth, sensor fusion, and unmatched agility. But now, it's evolving. The battlefield demands more than speed, it demands synergy. The Raptor's next mission? Integration. Picture this, a single Raptor leading a swarm of AI-powered drones, executing coordinated strikes, defending airspace, adapting in real time. This hybrid warfare model merges human intuition with machine precision, a force multiplier unlike anything we've seen. Upgrades are already in motion: eye-assisted targeting, real-time data links, drone command modules. The Raptor is no longer just a fighter, it's becoming the nerve center of a futuristic air fleet. And as AI grows smarter, the Raptor grows deadlier, ready to dominate not just the skies of today, but the wars of tomorrow. The future of air power won't be decided in one-on-one dogfights, but in synchronized battles led by intelligent machines and guided by human minds. In this new war theater, the F-22 Raptor still has a vital role, not just as a fighter, but as a battlefield commander. A quarterback in the sky, orchestrating fleets of drones, absorbing AI insights, and directing missions with precision and speed. The pilot's role won't disappear, but it will evolve. No longer the lone warrior, the pilot becomes the decision-maker, armed with instant data, AI predictions, and unmatched situational awareness. This is the next evolution of air warfare, a hybrid force where man and machine fight as one. A force that preserves the power of human judgment, and amplifies it with the speed and precision of artificial intelligence. And at the center of it all, the Raptor. Reborn for the wars of the future. At its core lies one of the most advanced systems of its time, sensor fusion. The ability to gather, merge, and interpret data from every angle, instantly. Now imagine pairing that with AI and drones. A single pilot, sitting in the cockpit of a Raptor, commanding a web of autonomous assets. Drones scouting ahead. AI processing live intel. Real-time threat detection. Instant decisions. The Raptor becomes more than a fighter, it becomes a battlefield brain. Upgrades are already happening: next-gen communication networks, enhanced electronic warfare tools, AI-powered decision support. These aren't just blueprints, they're being tested, fielded, and refined right now. The battles of tomorrow won't always be seen through cockpit glass or radar screens. They'll be fought in the shadows, across digital landscapes, guided by lines of code, and executed by machines with lightning speed. While the F-22 Raptor remains a symbol of aerial dominance, it's now part of something bigger, a vast, evolving network of autonomous systems, data-driven tactics, and artificial intelligence. In the end, the F-22 Raptor isn't just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of human ingenuity, resilience, and the relentless drive to push boundaries. As AI and drones rise, the Raptor doesn't retreat, it adapts. It evolves. It leads. The future of air power isn't man or machine, it's both. A hybrid force, where instinct meets algorithm, and dominance is redefined. Thanks for flying with SkyJet Wings today.